Hi, Blair Gilbert here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores. Talking about winterization of the outside of the house. Some of us that have hose bibs outside our house don't have a shutoff on the inside. Some people don't have frost-free hose bibs. So what happens is any water that could be in here is going to freeze. There's a little heat in the house, a little heat that's going to come through this pipe even through the winter time. So they make these little foam cones that you can take, little rubber hoop, you can attach it to the hose bib. It's got a little string and a zipper on it. And you just zip it up tight to the wall of the house. There's a little quick release here on the end, and that's it. You zip it up so it's held tight to the house. Now any residual heat that comes out of the house will be trapped by the foam insulator. It'll keep this bib warm, keep it from freezing in the winter. When you can't shut off the hose bib, put something on it to keep it from freezing on the outside in the dead of winter. A quick tip from MrHardware.com.